My fellow students. A very pleasant morning to one and all present here. This is Angels from class 9 representing Tilak House. So for giving me this beautiful opportunity to stand in front of you all and to express my views on this topic, Viksit Bharat. Viksit Bharat, a flight of new dreams. So this word, Viksit Bharat, translates to develop India in English, a concept that encapsulates India's aspiration for progress and prosperity across various sectors. As diverse and rapidly evolving nation, India's journey towards becoming a developed nation involves multifaceted strategy and concerted efforts across economic and visions of sustained growth and development through innovation, entrepreneurship, and inclusive policies. It focuses on leveraging India's education, skill development, and technology to create a robust workforce capable of driving this economic transformation. Socially, Viksit Bharat aims to address inequalities and improve the quality of life for all its citizens. Politically, Viksit Bharat envisions a transparent, accountable, inclusive governance framework that fosters the citizens' participation and upholds the rule of law. India's aim to enhance all its global challenges such as climate change, alleviation, poverty, and peacekeeping efforts. In conclusion, Viksit Bharat embodies India's vision for comprehensive development and progress across all sectors. It requires sustained commitment, cooperation, and innovation from all stakeholders, government, civil society, citizens, private sector. Allied India aims to realize its full potential and emerges as a beacon of prosperity and opportunity on the world stage. Viksit Bharat aims to transform India to a developed nation by 2047. By this time, I would like to end up my